Hi guys, so Captain Paul here, and today we're getting ready to start day 3, and we're at Willis Marine Center in New York, and then today we're heading over to Liberty Landing aboard this 40-foot double cabin Hatteras. These young kids, Tim and Deanna, are doing fantastic, and they're driving the boat really, really well. So today we're going to go do some slipping over there. We're about 40 miles from Liberty Landing, so hopefully we get over there quickly this morning. Looks like the weather's going to be absolutely perfect here. I'll show it to the weather. Looks like this weather this morning is going to be absolutely perfect. Great day for this. Look at these, just hundreds of boats. Anyway, there's the boat right there. Today, last day with them. Then we head over to the I'm gonna head over to the Grand Banks, and then I head back over to the Beneteau, and then we head back down to Florida and the Beneteau. Yeah. Don comes early on a boat, and we just check these oils, which that engine was fine, right? There's no indication we burned even a drop of oil, right?
It's the same level we were at yesterday on this one.
All right, perfect.
Started right up today too. Yeah, same thing. It looks like do a clean one
I don't think you're pushing the right button, boss.
Oh, yeah, that might help. That might help.
All right, this morning I want you guys to work together and get this boat out of here together like you guys were. Not like I'm not here, but I'm just going to kind of give advice and tell you what I would do.
Perfect. After, I'll have you hold this side of me, buddy.
Now go to your side over there and just make sure he's clear that boat over there. And let him know when he's clear of the dock. You got your navigation all set up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll start tracking here in a minute.
What a beautiful morning.
Yeah, we did. Got lucky. This is kind of a cool place to come to, and it's a good restaurant.
Oh, that was good. Can we do 5 knots? 4.5?
Well, wait till we get clear of all of, like, get past this marina right here.
We're doing 4.5 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, the area itself is gorgeous.
Oh, it is. And you have a really nice restaurant you can bring her to.
That was very good last night.
It was.
We needed it after travel. I mean, that was a long boat day.
It was.
But everyone was up bright and early. You enjoying your line time?
struggling with that half hitch over the rail, but she's got it.
Yeah, I had to look at that half hitch. I had to look at a couple of videos before I got it. That's how I tied the bumpers as well.
Is this the Willis Lighthouse?
I don't know what that is.
What's the lighthouse on it, Tim?
See it on here. Huntington Harbor Lighthouse.
Huntington Harbor Lighthouse. So you added your pin to your electronics?
I sure did. That's 2 pins now.
If I was giving you guys a grade
Does
for...
that mean where we stayed?
Yeah.
Yeah. I said all your pins are like badges of honor.
So you were saying if you were going to give us a grade, what's our grade so far?
Today you're getting, you're right at an A. Let's try and get an A plus on the docking over at Liberty.
Yes, okay.
I feel like I didn't do much. I just stood there, but that's okay.
All right, I think we're over there.
Get up around that corner, we should be fine. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This current's gonna get. So this is basically the two oceans coming together right there, you know, from one side into the other side of this. Where?
That triangular building on the right hand side, silvery color.
Oh yeah.
Silvery color one is right there.
I guess this is my second time coming through here, and it just never gets old, ever. World Trade Center. There's the Statue of Liberty right there. You guys see it?
Yeah. Bridge, Manhattan Bridge.
You can start to see it coming right in. Yep, there it is, right there, Statue of Liberty. What bridge is this, Di?
Manhattan Bridge.
Manhattan Bridge. In front of us. If you remember what I said, you're gonna hit the dock here. If you, yep, you're good. Yeah. Yeah, you were perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now hug this left side as tight as you can. There you go. All right, guys, end of day 3 on the Hatteras 40 double cabin. And we made it to Liberty Landing. Be departing this one tomorrow morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And thank you so much. We do appreciate the support on YouTube. Thanks. Bye.